Welcome back. So today we will solve an indicial equation. I see many of the Form 4 students actually find this type of questions to be very difficult. But it should be easy after you learn this trick. Later I'm going to show you in this video. So solving an equation, basically it means you need to find what is the value of x. And this value should make this equation to be balanced. So by balance, it means when I take this value of x, right, I sub back into this x and this x, the left side and the right side will have the same value. And so now we know that we need to find what is the value of x, right? X equals to something. But that all means, right, we just want to have a simple x only, okay? An x that has a constant of 1 and a power of 1. In other words, we can say that we have to group all the x at one side and then we shift away all the numbers from the x. So now we see that we have 2x on the left and on the right side. So what I'm going to do is that I will group them at left. You can actually group them to the right as well if you like, but in this case I just want to group it to the left. So after you group them to the left side, what you can do is that you need to isolate the x, which means, right, we don't want to have like 2x at two terms. We want to have a single x only, just like here, right? There's only one x in the final solution. So now we only need to have one x in the end. So what we're going to do here is to factorize out this and this x. So how do we do it? We're going to separate this 5 to the power of x plus 3 into 5 to the power of x multiply 5 to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of x equals to 17. So what we are going to do next, right, is to actually factorize this 5 to the power of x. Since they are the common term, we can take them out. We have 5 to the power of 3 minus 1 equals to 17. Okay, the idea of factorizing the 5x, right, is something like this. Let's say we let the 5 to the power of x to be any sort of number, let's say a. So we can rewrite this equation as a multiply 5 to the power of 3 minus a equals to 17. Now you see that you have common a on both sides, right or not? So you can factorize a, and then we have 5 to the power of 3 minus 1 equals to 17. So same as this. So now what we're going to do next is to remove all the numbers away from the x, correct or not? So how to remove this part is to actually divide it, because now 5x and this bracket is having a multiplication relationship. So when we shift this part to the right, it will become division. And we will have 5 to the power of x equals to 17 over 5 to the power of 3 minus 1. Okay, so now if you want to find the value of x, right, you just need to log with a base of 5. So when you log with the base of 5, right, it's actually you are shifting this 5 to the right. When you shift this 5 to the right, this x will go from power and become just a normal number. Alright, so now you have log 5, and then here we rewrite the same thing, 17 over 5 to the power of 3 minus 1. So typing this into your calculator will give you the final answer. Let's try. Log base 5 17 over 5 cube minus 1. Enter. So you have negative 1.235. Round off, okay? Negative 1.235. Alright, that's the final answer, and this would be the approach for this type of question. That's the end for this video. I hope you learned something today. Any question, please comment down below. I will try to make a video based on your question. And yep, I will see you in the next one. Bye.